Ceasefire, Unraveling the Phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, ceasefire. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in different contexts. Cease means to stop or halt something, and fire, in this context, refers to shooting or discharging weapons. When combined, ceasefire literally means to stop firing or shooting. It's often used in military and conflict situations to indicate that parties should stop shooting at each other. Beyond the battlefield, ceasefire can be used metaphorically in various situations. For instance, 1. Arguments or disputes. If two people are arguing, someone might say, cease fire, to mean, stop arguing. 2. Intense competitions. In a fierce sports match or game, a commentator might use the term to describe a break or pause in the action. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at ceasefire in action. 1. The general ordered his troops to cease fire as they approached the negotiation table. 2. After a heated debate, the moderator intervened, essentially asking for a verbal ceasefire. 3. During the tennis match, when both players took a breather, it felt like a short ceasefire in an intense battle. And there you have it. Ceasefire is not just a military term but also a versatile phrase applicable in various scenarios. We hope this explanation has shed light on its meaning and usage. Always remember, language is vast and ever-evolving. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.